Hello everyone, this is Matty back here and welcome to the first episode that we've done of customizing your iPhone. We're going to pick a catchy title, so whatever the name says is what this is going to be. So basically it's going to be how to turn your iPhone looking very plain when it's been jailbroken from this into something like this. Okay, so if you're interested, stick along and here's how to do it. Okay, so if you're interested in that previous look, the three things you're going to need is a jailbroken iPhone. I'm going to be using the iPhone 6 Plus on iOS 9.3.3, but this should work for every jailbreak. Anemone, which is a theming platform that can also be winterboard as well. And obviously we're going to be needing Cydia to install all the tweaks and themes seen in this video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do before you get started with any theming is arrange your apps in a nice way, and this is beneficial to both you and to people looking on. Make sure that you have full home screens. This is very useful. Just try and keep them full because that gives a lot more contrast in colours. Okay, that aside, the first thing we're going to do is install the theme, which is going to completely change the look of our iPhone, and the one we're going to be using today is Flat 8. Now Flat 8 has been around since iOS 8, hence the name, and it's a very good theme for just making your iPhone look completely different, but also maintaining the ability to work well with apps that don't have the theme applied to them. Now this is a problem with some of the nicer themes out there, is that they don't work well with apps that aren't created for that theme. So this one works very well, and all you're going to do is download it from Cydia and enable it. Now this is a paid for tweak, so you can get it free in other places, but support the developer, buy it, it's really a good theme. Okay, so once you've clicked enable with Anemone, you want to press apply. And we're going to leave everything on, and also we're going to leave all the Anemone default settings, which just creates a really nice bar at the bottom. And here we can see a preview of what it's going to look like. Already you can see it looks a whole lot better, so we're just going to click apply and wait. Okay, so the device is respringing from applying the theme, and what you'll note on the lock screen straight away is a tweak that is mentioned by a lot of people who do these kind of things, and that is LockGlyph. Now this gives you the ability to use the Apple Pay system to unlock your phone. Now this obviously is only available on iPhones that support it, but it's not really a requirement, it just makes the lock screen look a little bit more fancy, and that is called LockGlyph. All links will be in the description for the tweaks that are used during today's video. Okay, so now we're back at the home screen. You can see that the theme has been applied, and already it looks absolutely stunning. You can tell it's different just because of the subtle icons, like for example the phone icon here. I'm just going to wiggle around now. You can just see that one looks a whole lot better. Same as Safari, Spotify, loads of apps are supported in this and they all look really well. But even for the apps that aren't supported, for example, let's have a look, Sleep Cycle and Safe in Cloud here, it just works flush with the theme, so you can't really tell that they're not supported, which is always a good thing. Okay, so the next part of this video we're going to be showing you just a very another subtle tweak, and that's called betterFiveIconDock, and what this allows is just 5 icons to go at the bottom of your dock, and I always put Cydia in the middle because I think it's very important to have that there, but it just creates a much nicer look and works a lot better with themes, just to create a better look, and people just wonder how's he got 5 icons down there even if they didn't notice that you've got a theme on. So it just sparks people's interest and looks really good, and that's betterFiveIconDock. Okay, so the next tweak that we've installed is ClassicFolders. Now ClassicFolders is very subtle and works as it says with folders just to create a really nice look, and if you click on it, there you go, you can see how the folders just collapse down really nice. It's very nice to have a tweak like this, and all of the tweak settings are configurable in the settings. So if we scroll down here, you can see classic folders, and you can give it different looks. You get Mavericks, Classic, iOS 4, but I've stuck with Mozin because I think it looks really nice. And once again, I'll just show you it, and this is called Classic Folders. Okay, so the next tweak you can't see at the moment, but if we scroll up and click the search button, there you go, you can see it. And of course it's the famed Nude Keys that allows us to do this. Now this just creates a really nice looking keyboard. Quite a lot of people don't like it. It's very much up to opinion whether you have it or not. It's not going to make your device look much different except when people see you typing. And the main reason for getting this actually is just to get rid of the borders that go around the keys, just to create a nice looking smooth keyboard. And obviously I've gone with the blue and green, which is configurable in the settings, as I'll show you right now. So if you scroll down to Nude Keys and click on there we go, those are the two colours I'm using if you want to follow the exact same theme. However, you can just click any one of these and select the colour. Now the better thing is NudeKeys has just gone free. It used to be a paid tweak and now it's free, so grab it while you can because it is very good. And once again, if you don't like it, you don't have to have it, but I think it makes a really nice looking keyboard theme. So while we're at this menu, I may as well show you another tweak that's involved, and this is called SmoothCursor. Now this one's very subtle, but it makes a huge difference when you're typing big messages to people, and I'm just going to demonstrate it to you now. If you just type at the top, as you can see, the cursor just flows so smoothly rather than being jittery like it is in the normal version. You can just type anything and it looks really good, and once again that's called SmoothCursor, a really subtle tweak and makes your device look even cooler when you're sending messages to people. So the last tweak involved in today's iPhone look is called Watch Notifications. This is another paid for tweak but looks really awesome when you send notifications to your lock screen. So I'll just demonstrate this now by in the settings menu clicking send test notification, and there we go, you can just see the beautiful watch notifications emulating what happens when you get a notification on the Apple Watch. However, it looks very good on the iPhone, and that's called Watch Notifications and is downloadable in Cydia for a fee. So the final things that makes a world of difference is the background to the device. Now, as you saw in the previous look when I showed you it, you can see that there is a lovely mountain background, and that's going to be downloadable in the description of the video, but I'm just going to get it off the internet now, click it here, I'm going to save it to my iPhone, and there it is, and all you do is hold down on it and open. And then I'm just going to choose the iPhone 6 one, so I click there, it gives it there, and I'm going to save the image. And then once it's saved, you can just go into your settings, go into wallpaper, choose a new wallpaper, camera roll, and if we click there, you'll notice that you can either have it in perspective, but I like it in still and just having it fully zoomed out to give the best quality, and set that for both. And there you have it, the one and only beautiful lock screen. There it is. Looks absolutely beautiful. That's how you make a really nice looking device. So feel free to join us next time where we have a look into some more. I'm going to be theming the iPad. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, then give it a thumbs down. That's alright as well. But thanks for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see everyone later.